CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.
Today we are going to talk about how does a car breathalyzer really work? The Truth About Ignition Interlock Devices by CarHelpOut, local independent certified mobile mechanic for auto car repair, roadside assistance, and pre-purchase used vehicle buying inspection service who will come or travel to you at any location. Have you ever wondered what a car breathalyzer, sometimes called an ignition interlock device, actually does inside your car? Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about car breathalyzers, how they work, who uses them, and why they're becoming more common every year. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why auto car repair loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit CarHelpOut.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/CarHelpOut and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to CarHelpOut.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. Let's start with the basics. A car breathalyzer, officially called an ignition interlock device, is a system that connects directly to your vehicle's ignition. To start the engine, you must blow into a special mouthpiece. If you're above the legal alcohol limit, usually set very low, at about 0.02%, your vehicle will not start. These devices were once just for repeat DUI offenders, but today you'll find them in everything from family cars to commercial fleets. Here's how it works, step by step. First, before you even turn the key, the device asks you for a breath sample. If you pass, the engine unlocks and you're good to go. But here's the smart part. While you're driving, you might get a random alert for a rolling retest. That means you'll have to provide another sample, even on the road, to make sure you weren't just sober at startup. Worried about cheating or tampering? Modern units use fuel cell sensors for accuracy. Many have built-in cameras to verify the person taking the test, plus GPS tracking and anti-tampering protection. All data, results, times, photos, gets logged and sent to the right authorities or the monitoring company. So who gets these devices? Most commonly, they're court-ordered for DUI offenders. But some commercial fleet managers, and even families with teen drivers, opt for interlocks voluntarily for extra safety. What does it cost? Setup is around $100. Monthly service runs about $70, $120. Some offer financial help for low-income folks. Accuracy matters. Most devices use fuel cell tech and require regular calibration about every 1 or 2 months. Pro tip, mouthwash or mints right before a test can cause a fail, so always rinse and wait a few minutes. The benefits? Dramatic reductions in repeat drunk driving offenses, up to a 70% drop while the device is installed. These tools help people prove their sobriety, keep their jobs, and remain on the road safely. And here's the big picture. By 2027, many experts believe new cars will roll out with passive alcohol sensors built right into steering wheels. So impaired driving will be much harder to get away with. So whether you're required to use a car breathalyzer or just want safer streets, now you know the facts. Have you seen an ignition interlock device? Drop your questions below. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more car tech stories. Drive safe, drive smart, and thanks for watching. CarHelpOut.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.